Hey YouTubers, how are you? This is Tommy Thompson. I'm just coming to you. I wanted to give you some information on how to beat this whole COVID thing. One thing that you can do that would help you boost your immune system. One key factor in boosting your immune system is to make sure that you have plenty of vitamin D. Now, some of the benefits of vitamin D is, for one, it helps with your bone structure. It helps you regulate oxygen in your blood. So vitamin D is a very important element in staying healthy. You've got the coronavirus, of course, we all know. It's caused by the SARS virus. The World Health Organization declared that COVID-19 as a public health emergency of international concern in March of 2020. And all of you know that COVID-19 was characterized as a global pandemic that was responsible for infecting over 20 million and more than 700,000 deaths. So we all know about COVID. We've had it around for a while. I'm just basically giving you some history of the COVID. Some of the symptoms, as we all know, are fever, cough, fatigue, headache, diarrhea, serious interstitial pneumonia. As you see here is some of your vitamins. Your vitamin A goes through the list, has all your different vitamins. You have your biotin, your folic acid, niacin, and then it gives you the foods that have them vitamins. There's all your vitamin B12 foods. As you see, there's some avocado and some fish. So make sure, there's you a chart where it shows you all your different vitamins. That's your B complex vitamin, that's what it looks like. There's more thiamine. And then here you have more your B vitamins. These are foods that you'll need that will have B vitamins in it. So make sure that you're getting these foods. And now I jumped over here to vitamin D and what foods have vitamin D in it. So make sure that you're getting these foods. That way you can have a healthy immune system to make sure that you have a better chance at staying healthy. Make sure that you are not deficient in vitamin D or vitamin B. There's just some vitamin C, orange juice. There's some different portions where it tells you more vitamin D stuff. Eggs, fish, all that good stuff. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure you like and subscribe.